Hi everyone, Sarah here. I am back to share with you another unboxing. I have some great products to share with you that were sent to me for review by Everydayedeals.com. They reached out to me and asked me if I would review some products, so I picked out some things, hoping that you guys will like them also. We have 3 diamond paintings and I got some keychains. So let's open up the keychains first. I thought I would try something else instead of just diamond paintings. I know, so boring. So in the kit, we have our regular kit here, the boat, the wax. There are a couple baggies and just a single placer pen, so that's good. And then we have our drills and the keychains. Let me see. Feels like there's a lot in here. I thought that there were just 2. It looks like there's a little bit more to this than I thought. Oh my goodness. So cute. Oh my. All right, so to start off with, we do have 2 of the chains and 2 of the clips, all in working order. So that part is great. I wonder if these light up or something, because we have 2. They are opposite, so these are obviously going to go like this, and we have a thicker piece that may possibly, yeah, that goes in the middle. That leaves us a hole inside. This is going to be interesting. This one's like a little fairy one. And again, the piece that goes in the middle. And there's holes in them to put through the keychains. And then for this, these little battery packs. Oh, don't break them, Sarah. With some instructions. Lamp keychain DIY instructions. So it looks like I'm going to have to cut off the blue wire as shown in the picture. We'll do a little bit of surgery. I think this is one I will actually do in a separate video to share with you guys, because that's pretty interesting. I did not know that they light up. I was wondering why the price was a bit high. So for this specific kit, it was $14.18 Canadian for the 2 keychains that light up. But I thought that they were so cute. They're Hello Kitty, which I might have a slight addiction to. Looks like we are 6 different drills. So we have some black ones, which would be the eyes. Then we have these really beautiful iridescent blue. I love those ones. We have some white clear. This is more of a reddish pink, and then like a coral and a yellow. Very awesome. Excited to work on those. I think that they're going to be so cute. That is very cool. All right, let me just stick it back in there for now. Again, price was $14.18 for 2 light up keychains. And then these ones, as I mentioned in my last video, it's getting harder and harder to pick diamond paintings to share with you guys. So this one, a little wrinkly. This one is a girl on the beach. My link for this one that I sent them is no longer, it comes up saying that it's not a valid link. So I'm going to have to check the website to find the price for you guys and if it's still available. Not sure. Maybe it's just not available anymore. But I thought that this would be cute. beach theme, and I'm hoping that, I think it's pretty visible. Oh, there's like a rainbow in there. She's sitting on the beach with flowers around her. There's 24 colors. It looks like it's all letters in the symbols, DMC codes. And here's the kit, nothing special. And then the drills. Looks like some nice bright colors in here. Yeah, 24 colors. I'll just go from this side so you guys can get an idea of the colors that are on it. That's a beautiful green, nice bright orange. Got some blues, gray, more blues and greens, some purples, and my favorite mint. That's a beautiful color too. And then these 4 left here. So that's going to be really pretty with the colors. Again, if I can find the link for it, I'll put it down below so you guys can see, but unfortunately my link that I sent them doesn't work on it anymore. These ones did. So this one is a Pikachu. He's double bagged. Go. I thought my daughter might like this one. She loves Pikachu. He's very wrinkly. He's going to have to be flattened out. So this is a 30 by 40 round drill. Looks like we have 20 colors. And he says Pikachu up in here. I just thought he was cute. Nice and bright and happy. There's our kit. Nothing special, but same. This Pikachu was $9.02. I'll show you the legend here. It is one of the small ones. It is letters and a couple of symbols. All the DMC codes though, but everything looks like nice and clear. For drilling. Colors are a bit, oh no, there's some bright ones in there. I thought they might have been a little darker than I expected, but we got 19 and 20. Looks like the background is going to be that pretty mint, which is really nice. And we've got lots of browns, muted colors. There's some pretty greens, some more pretty greens. And then we have our yellow and orange. There's a red, a bit of black, not a lot, and a little bit of pink. So those are our colors. I think he's going to turn out nice. Again, $9.02 for the 30 by 40. And then the last one, oh, another double bagged. This one is one of the signs, and I just got it out of curiosity, thinking that to see if it's will turn out. It looks pretty good to me. The one thing that this website does have, I would say pretty much like all the images that I looked at, they have one picture of the schematic, so you can get an idea of what it's going to look like and to possibly see if there's going to be any issues reading the words or anything. This is a 30 by 40. It looks a little small. I do not have my measuring tape here today. Sorry guys. But obviously none of these are 30 by 40 for the images. They're all smaller. This does have 23 colors, which is going to help with the image. It's 2 hands. They have some tattoos and roses, and the sign says, "You and me, we got this." And I just think that that is really pretty. 23 colors. There is letters and symbols. DMC codes for all of them, which has been great. There's our kit. This one has a couple of baggies in it. And of course, all the colors on this one are going to be fairly muted. This one was only $7.73 for the 30 by 40. Yeah, 23 colors. So yeah, they all are pretty similar color groups. Oh, this is beautiful. That's a gorgeous color, and I'm hoping that that's going to be the background. That number 20 is H, yeah. Love it. Really pretty colors, even though they're muted, they're very rich. Nice skin tones. There's another. Let's see. This one's brighter, this one's a bit darker, but those are going to be gorgeous. I might have to kit this one up to do right away. I think that that's going to be really, really nice. And the canvas itself is really nice. It flattened out beautifully. So again, $7.73 for the 30 by 40. I will have all the links for you guys down below. Thank you again to Everydayedeals for sending me these products for review, and check back for a video on these light up keychains. I think that they would be pretty cool. All right, that's it. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.